bad hair day is a real thing, isn't it? The dream of healthy hair can be turned into reality with proper hair care. Discover a curated list of top hair care tips in this video. Hair care dose. Number 1. Wash your hair regularly. Washing your hair regularly ensures that your scalp and hair is free of dirt and excess oil. However, the right frequency depends on your hair type and personal preferences. If you have extremely dry hair, limit your washing to twice a week. If you have an oily scalp, washing your hair on alternate days can help. Number 2. Use chemical-free shampoos. You really can't control all the environmental factors that damage your hair, but what you can control is the kind of shampoos you use. Lessen the number of chemicals in your shampoo, healthier your hair. Go for gentle shampoos that suit your hair type. Sulfates and parabens in shampoos are used for lathering and preserving respectively, but they can cause skin irritation over time and increase the risk of hormonal disruptions. Number 3. Condition correctly. Your conditioner contains ingredients that make the hair fall straight and manageable. It protects your hair from environmental aggressors and heat styling. However, it should be applied only on the tips of the hair and not down your scalp. Also, make sure to rinse it off thoroughly post-application. Before watching the rest of tips, kindly subscribe to the channel to get notification about our new videos. Number 4. Dry your hair naturally. We know blow drying makes your hair as beautiful as that of your on-screen idol, but excessive heat styling can damage your hair scalp. Limit it to important events. If you have to style, hair drying or towel drying after shampoo is the best way to go. Never sleep in wet hair or comb wet hair. Harsh rubbing with a towel can damage the cuticle of your hair. Be gentle. Number 5. Oil your hair properly. Pre-shampoo treatments like oiling and massaging improve blood circulation on the scalp, relax your muscles, boost shine and nourish the hair. It also restores moisture content, enables hair growth and repairs split ends. You can choose from coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, castor oil, and the likes. Avoid using mineral oil on your hair. Once in a while, apply warm oil and wrap your head in a towel to let the oil work its way. Consider a mask to suit the cuticle of your hair before shampooing. It helps in reducing the friction between hair strands during shampoo application. Number 6. Use a wide-toothed comb. Wet hair is fragile and prone to breakage. Let your hair dry and then use a wide-toothed comb to brush your hair. This kind of a comb prevents damage to your hair. Number 7. Style your hair naturally. Who does not like those gorgeous curls or perfect waves? But you can achieve this without putting your hair through heat. Here's how. If you still wish to use a curler or a straightener or a blow dryer, invest in a good heat protectant serum first. Number 8. Trim your hair regularly. Trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks to get rid of split ends. Split ends form when the hair is damaged due to heat styling, pollution, smoking, stress, and so on. Trimming does not magically make the hair grow faster. Hair growth happens at the scalp level, but trimming ensures healthy hair. Number 9. Drink more water. Internal hydration coupled with external hydration is the key to well-balanced and healthy hair. You may be using hydrating hair care products and oils, but drinking at least 3 liters of water every day ensures good hair health. Number 10. Eat healthy. We will go on repeating "you are what you eat" as long as we write about hair care and skin care. Your hair is made of proteins and amino acids. It needs the right nutrition to grow well and maintain itself. Eggs, berries, nuts, fish, green leafy vegetables, sweet potatoes are some of the many great foods for healthy hair. Number 11. Use hair caps or hats. Just as sunlight has a damaging effect on your skin, it applies to your hair too. Harsh sun rays can remove the moisture from your hair, making it dry, brittle, and damaged over the course of time. Use hats when you step out to protect your hair from this damage. Number 12. Use hair bands. We love to flaunt our open hair, but do use hair bands to limit the hair exposure to environmental aggressors. Use fabric hair ties instead of the plastic ones. Don't pull your hair too tight when making a ponytail or any other hairstyle. Number 13. Use a hair wrap or old t-shirt to dry. This one's new. Your t-shirt can be used to dry your wet hair without causing damage to the hair. Traditional towels are rough on your hair cuticles and damage your hair over time. Save up your soft, old t-shirts from now on. Hair care don'ts. Number 1. Hot showers. Hot showers strip off the natural oils from your scalp, leaving it dry and flaky. Cold showers are your best bet. Number 2. Stress. If you notice someone with healthy hair, we can bet our lives and say that they worry a little less. Stress can cause hair fall and unhealthy hair. Number 3. Chemicals. Chemicals from dyeing, perming, and other hair treatments affect your hair follicles, disrupt hair growth, and can also lead to hair fall. Number 4. Hair styling products. Heat styling using straighteners, blow dryers, and curlers for prolonged periods changes hair texture, makes hair dry and prone to breakage. Number 5. Salt water hair wash. Salt water damages the hair cuticle, irritates the scalp, and makes the hair tangled. Avoid chlorinated water in the swimming pools. What happens when you don't take care of your hair? If you don't take care of your hair, it may stop growing after a point. Slowly, you may start experiencing dandruff, hair fall, dryness, and dullness. Not washing hair for long periods can cause ingrown hairs. Yes, you heard it right. They can occur on the scalp too. Also, by leaving your hair unwashed for a long time, you are attracting more dust. Using wrong hair care products can make you feel itchy and lead to hair fall. Wrapping up. So, by using chemical-free products created for your individual hair type, eating right, avoiding heat styling, and following all the mentioned tips, you can bid bad hair days a goodbye. But most importantly, if you experience excessive hair fall and damage despite following a good hair care routine, consult your doctor. And hair or no hair, celebrate yourself nevertheless. Do you know what are the most common hair problems in men? Let us know in the comments section. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more information. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.